Tell us.
I literally have like tears in my eyes right now because I don't know. This is all really like frustrating to the point where I'm like, I'm gonna cry right now. All the little olive trees that I've seen here that are this big look halfway to their grave. Right when we absolutely gave up. We're back on our landscaping mission. This has taken a lot of turns. Initially, we really wanted to do the whole olive tree vibe, bring a little piece of California here to Florida with us. Cannot find olive trees. We even thought of importing them from California. It would just be so insanely expensive. Then we changed our idea to doing cypress trees, but the blue cypress trees, which are also hard to find and they're super expensive too. What are we gonna do?
What's our budget? Let's talk about that.
Oof, you know, that's not a conversation I like to have.
How many trees are we looking for?
I mean, we're looking for a lot of trees. We want to line the entire walkway up to our house.
Are we looking to buy trees today? What's our goal here?
I am ready to go.
But we don't have anyone lined up to plant the trees.
No, we don't.
So we're going to try to find as many trees as we can for as little as possible, right?
But nice trees that we actually want to plant.
Yeah, and tall trees.
And tall.
That look mature. Good luck. Well, we found the perfect trees. These are really nice.
Yeah, they're sold. That's a magnolia.
Yeah, this one is.
That's a beautiful magnolia. I actually
very
love
tall
magnolia trees, but I feel like it's not the vibe we're going for. Like, they are tiny trees, so we would need so many of them.
Okay.
They are pretty and like a lot more high end than the regular cypress trees, so I like that part.
How much?
They're $700 each. That's not good.
$700 each.
Yeah. But they do just seem like not substantial.
But the problem is we need a lot of them.
We need so many of them.
These are $250. That's a little better. Got a bunch of them. Didn't you say these take a very long time to grow?
Yeah.
Is that the issue? But these could be good in front of the garage, I think. All right, he said he has some little olive trees, so we're gonna go take a look.
Is this the baby olives? You can make a
Those are bushes.
Do okay here?
They do good.
Yeah?
They do good out here, yeah. They're fruitless.
Yeah.
Making some progress. Green Island ficus. Considering for our little hedge. What did we learn today? We learned a lot.
Number one, I thought this juniper spartan was a regular cypress, and I was wrong. It's a juniper spartan. Don't like a lot of water, so we've got to fix the areas that we are going to plant them in because they do get a lot of water.
I really like those ligustrum trees. How did you feel about those?
What do you mean? I love them, and I wanted to buy them before when there were a ton of them, and we missed our opportunity.
Okay, this isn't the only nursery in South Florida. We can definitely find ligustrum.
For sure we're going to get ligustrums. For sure.
So if we're for sure doing ligustrums like water.
Right.
So that might be a challenge.
Yeah. I don't know what to do. I don't know. It's just a lot to manage.
It is a lot. We're going to figure this out together. Go team.
I don't know. This is all really like frustrating to the point where I'm like, do we just do tropical like everyone else? Like, it's just really annoying.
No, we're not giving up. All right, let's go to the place he recommended.
I just feel like we've been really going against the grain and just really working on this landscaping thing for a very long time, and it's just like not really working out. Like, we're really just trying to fight what's natural here.
Well, we're trying to do something unique. It's not easy, and we're not landscape experts either, so we're kind of learning as we go.
And it would be also easier if there were examples here of landscape that we love, you know, direction we're going for.
No one else is doing it.
Yeah.
I'm sure everyone else will copy it.
If the plants survive. We are in a new nursery. I forgot what it's called. You? Perfect
Green? No, that's where we just came from.
No, that wasn't a name at all. Perfect Green?
Something green. Getting green?
What?
I don't know. Okay, this is a wholesale nursery. They got a lot of big trees.
Got good stuff. Oh, look, they have ecclesia trees here.
Which I do like as well.
I like those as well. Those would look really cute with our already ecclesia hedge.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
So we're looking for silver buttonwoods, which is the closest look we're going to get to olives. I mean, that looks really damn close to an olive tree.
Is that silver buttonwood?
Yeah.
Oh, no, it looks less silver. What is that?
Yeah, what is that?
That looks like an olive tree.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, we need that right there.
Yeah, what? What are these? What the hell? These are really nice.
Yeah.
I'm getting out.
You get out and you tell me that blue band doesn't mean you sold. This happens every time.
This is making me really mad. These are freaking olive trees.
Because it's beeping in here. These are olives, right?
I'm gonna cry right now.
Are those olives?
They look like olives.
I mean, if they are importing olives, then that's a good sign.
Yeah, but they're freaking tagged and I want these. These are beautiful.
All right, let's go find out.
How do we get them? Should we just take the tags off? Are these olives?
That's not a silver buttonwood. It's
No,
not
it's
silver.
not a silver buttonwood.
No. So what is it? That looks like an olive leaf to me.
I'm very confused. Like, are you kidding me?
These are definitely olives.
Oh, I'm so confused right now. And these are huge and gorgeous.
Here, stand in front.
No.
Ugh,
No.
it's muddy.
I don't even know what to do with myself right now. Oh my god, these are olive trees.
They only have 2,
And they're tagged.
and they're tagged.
Wait, how do we get them? Let's just offer them more money for those olives. I
How
guarantee
much?
they're not selling them for what they should be selling them for.
How much would that tree be in California? Was that the 2,500 range or 5,000
I
range?
think this is in at least the 5,000 range because these are really nice ones. Yeah,
They're kind of in between, right?
these are 5,000. Yeah, they are in between, but these are like really
Yeah.
nice.
I would say like 3,500.
Okay.
All right, we got some good news. Tell us.
I literally have like tears in my eyes right now because we just secured olive trees.
They're actually
Like,
available.
what a turn of events.
Yeah.
What a turn of events.
Those are massive, beautiful.
Right when we absolutely gave up on our dream olive trees.
You guys don't understand. We've been looking for olive trees for
For
a
8
year.
months.
A year. Yeah.
A year. And just as we had given up all hope, we stumble across stunning olive trees right here.
And the price was actually really good.
The price is better than in California.
No, I can't import from California.
No.
They just ruined my entire business
completely
idea.
ruined your business model, but I'm really happy for our landscaping.
We were saying that was 3,500 in California and 775 here. That makes
Yeah.
no sense.
Don't say anything.
I'm not saying. I'm not. Don't tell
You
anybody.
can hear everything from inside of this building.
There's
It's thin walls. I could hear everything you were saying. So.
Damn it. Even when I was talking about the olive trees
Yes.
and sourcing them elsewhere.
Yes.
Okay.
Just such a crazy turn
I'm
of
really
events.
confused at like the sudden discovery of olive trees.
It makes absolutely no sense. Like all of a sudden, everyone has olive trees.
So we just found these 2 olive trees.
Like stunning, pristine,
Perfect.
big olive trees.
Yeah. And then this new landscaper that I reached out to like 2 weeks ago that hasn't responded. Randomly called.
There they are. You're passing up our girls.
Beautiful. The new landscaper randomly calls, and I'm telling him about these olive trees, and this guy's like, "Oh, I can get as many olive trees as you want,
Like what? What?
any size, and priced way better than these
What
too."
is happening?
Look at this, 100-gallon tree. You can get it for $550. A 200-gallon tree, $1,500. A 300-gallon tree, $2,500.
What?
Those are single trunk, but he can also get multi-trunk. Actually, I think the multi-trunk would look good in those areas because they're a little wider. Does it have a location? Because I'd love to go see them and
Like-
pick out the ones we want.
Yeah, they're very nice olive trees.
Oh,
What the
God,
hell?
Where is this?
Well, they're completely win our olive tree dreams of owning the only olive tree farm in
I'm like,
Florida.
we'll import them for $5,000 each
my
and sell
God.
them for 10.
I can't.
You know where those single trunks will look good? Around the pool.
Yes, 100% that.
Yeah. So we need 4 singles.
Yeah.
And then 6 multi-trunk for that front area.
Like, oh, do they have the olive bushes? And we can just do a border of olive bushes on the...
Yeah. So
So
you
what
think
else do we
do
put?
olives as well, or do we still do the other little bush, that other darker leaf?
we can. We can do that. Yeah, maybe to tie in the clusia
Yeah.
a little better.
Where?
Stunning. Like, this can't be real. Those little guys are not it. Crazy how much this has transformed the house. Today, Dreams were realized.